Good evening, my YouTube viewers. This particular video, what we're going to be discussing is the F distribution. The F distribution is used primarily in the analysis of variance, often called the ANOVA, and also for regression analysis. It describes the distribution of the ratio of two independent chi-square variables divided by their respective degrees of freedom. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Python to make this F distribution. And in order to do that, we have to import some libraries. So we're going to import NumPy as NP, which is a numeric library. And we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is a visualization library. And we're going to import scipy.stats as stats. And stats is the statistical module in SciPy. So what we have to do is we have to set up the parameters for the F distribution. So D1 equals 7, and it's the degree of freedom for the numerator. And D2 equals 10, it's the degree of freedom for the denominator. And the number of samples is 10,000. So we're going to generate the random data for the F distribution. F data equals np.random.f brackets d1, d2, num samples. And we're going to create a histogram for the F distribution. plt.hist brackets f data, bins equals 50, density equals true, color equals sky blue, edge color equals black, alpha equals 0.7. And now we're going to generate the theoretical F distribution PDF. And PDF is a probability density function, which is a statistical computation. X equals np.linspace brackets 0, npmax f data, 1000. PDF equals stats.f.pdf brackets x, d1, d2. So now we're going to plot the PDF. plt.plot brackets x, pdf, r dash, lw equals 2, label equals f distribution PDF, df1 and df2. And we're going to add titles and labels to the chart, to the graph. The title is an F distribution. The X label is value, and the Y label is density. And we're going to show the chart. We're going to plot the chart. So here is the F distribution, and you can see that the size of the S distribution is dependent upon the values of D1, DF1, and DF2. And so if you want to change the size of the F distribution, you change the values of DF1 and DF2. But you can see that this particular F distribution is skewed to the right. So that concludes this video on the F distribution, and I'll be covering another distribution in the very next video. So I look forward to communicating with you then.